Hi, this is Long. Today I'm gonna take a look at the copper market, and as you can see, today's price action is quite significant. It breaks all the moving averages and it's trading above the previous upper swing high. So for me, this is a very bullish sign, and I think I'm gonna take a position. But I'm gonna explain it furthermore. Another thing, if you take a look at the weekly chart, you can see clearly that this candlestick engulfs all the previous candlesticks, roughly 5 of them, I suppose, and even at the weekly chart, right now it's above all the moving average, so it's definitely a very good sign. And if you take a look at it, you can see the inverse head and shoulder pattern, which is the left shoulder, head, and right shoulder. Right now we're just gonna reach 2.97. I think this is a reasonable target for that. And how long it will take, I think it will take like 1 month, because the previous one took like 2 months to complete, and I think this swing will be even quicker because of today's price action and because we are not trading against any moving averages. But we need to be a little bit cautious. We need to always consider the downside. The downsides of this trade, one of it is that it has a trend line, and you can sort of argue maybe it's some sort of triangle here, but I mean this triangle is a little bit too large, so I would not say something like that. But we need to see this trend line might not be broken, so if you want to be a little bit more patient, maybe you want to wait until this trend line has been broken. But for me, I think it should be fine to take a position here, because you know where your stop loss is, and yeah, and everything just looks great, you know. But sometimes when everything looks great, it might be a trap. So another reason for another downside is that right now we are inside of a channel, and if you take a look at it, and we might not be able to break this channel, but I think you can sort of manage your risk when it reaches the upper boundary of the channel. You just simply move your stop at loss just at your entry point, or just a little bit below. It depends on what kind of trade you want to have. So these are the two downsides. But anyway, I think it has a very high probability, because if you see also the volume is kind of backing it up. So I think I'm gonna take this trade just today, and to see if it works, and the entry point will be here, and the close at loss will be just beneath. So roughly the close at loss will be like 2.66, 2.66 ish, something like this. Okay, I'm gonna take this trade, and this is the first trade that I'm gonna take in my demo account, and let's see. I made a few money with 1,000 euros, so this is the reason why I have 1.3k right now. So let's see how much money I can make with this demo account. Usually I don't really think it's a good idea to risk a lot of money, so I'm just gonna 2.66. 2.66. And I think you should risk something like 10% of your trade. So I'm just gonna risk 133. Oops. Yeah, I pushed the wrong button, but I mean, yeah. I'm just gonna risk 130. Okay, this is perfect. And close out profit is like at 2.97. No, not 2.97. Oh, it's 2.97, that's correct. And then we just pull the trigger and hope it's going to be great. So just let's see how this one goes.